UMP ka Trinamool Congress na West Bengal, Derek O'Brien. Agas ni Baar jang katayo ulaong, jit yo sunteo shijur pinyo amtang yo MLA, Henry pinyo ru ya UMP, uban syakri bat etray lang rengkat-rengkat baru MLA jong P. O'Brien ulaong ya kani habakren na kajing lang yalap election, umaaw hai Andrew Shullai hayaw musyang Jowai. Uni UMP ulaong baka Trinamool Congress kanyay peteng, banya side batro banya kun na kabenta ban pentrekam jika airline permit ha Meghalaya. Bat kajing itu no ya ketien khasi ha kernit ka bapra jong kriti sensar jong kari India.
He will be TMC MLA from March 2, and all of us here and all of you there will work together for the next 10 days to make Andrew Shullai the TMC MLA for Jowai. That is why the NPP MP and the NPP Chief Minister requested me not to come to Meghalaya to campaign for Andrew Shullai. I said I will come here. I have come to Jowai not once, not twice. I have come here today again. I want to request all of you, vote for this.
Vote Haini.
Shintu Chijur. Shintu Chijur. You vote for this twin flowers. You will not only get an MLA, Andrew, you will also get an MP to work for you. I promise to come to Jowai to work with Andrew. I will come here 4 times every year because I want to work with Andrew and the full team of MDCs and everybody else for Jowai. What will we do?
You promise.
One. In the next 100 days, every woman, every lady in Meghalaya will get 12,000 rupees into her bank account. All women here. 1,000 rupees a month for 12 months. That is 12,000 rupees. Can you hear me? Every young person, youth, will also get direct transfer. We will create TMC. We will create 3 lakh jobs. 3 lakh jobs within 5 years. 3 lakh jobs from TMC government within 5 years in Meghalaya. We don't only make promises, we also keep our promises. We want to work together. And yes, 2 parties here. P. The P, NPP, the P means pipe. What is the pipe for? The pipe is to bring the BJP into Meghalaya and do no work. We at TMC have made a promise to you. We have made a promise and we've raised this in Parliament. No other party has done this. We promise to make Khasi the official language in the 8th schedule. Khasi will be the official language in the 8th schedule. Only TMC can do this. UDP, local party, no MPs. NPP, 2 MPs, both sleeping in Parliament. TMC, 37 MPs to raise the voice of the people of Meghalaya. We have seen the latest opinion poll results. We have just seen that yesterday the opinion poll results came. There it is showing TMC 18 to 23 seats in the Meghalaya election. Goodbye, Conrad Sangma and NPP. Goodbye. If you want to defeat BJP, do not waste your vote. Do not waste your vote. Do not waste your vote. If you want to defeat BJP, the only way to do it, you find this button. I only want one request to make to you. Just one request. Today is 14th of February, Valentine's Day.
Valentine's Day.
You promised to work with us, all of us together. I ask you to work full day with us, full day with Andrew Shullai and the team for us for 13 more days. 10 hours a day. I promise you, please do this for us. Because if you do this the next 13 days, we will work for Meghalaya for the next 5 years for you. Andrew, we are all with you. We will all work together. I would like all of you to know that TMC is the change. TMC is T, true, M, magical, and C is change. This is the candidate, TMC candidate. He is now a candidate till March 2. After that, he will be TMC MLA in Syllad. We will work together with Bright Star. We will work together as a team. We will work together as a team. And before I end, I want to make a promise. You will vote for TMC. You will vote for Andrew Shullai. But you will also get your own MP from Jowai. I will come here and I will work for you in Jowai. Department go yield to lock Hagani the Lari of the lobby. For Emma, was thank to Sarkar left, Miodigatu Henny. This is the council that system. Number Sari, we some flourish now, system to Pavlo, Yerba Pesa Yahan. Pida Yapi, song in the Kamani, the Yapi, Ying, song on the footpath, the Yapi, Ying, keep cutting in the Panopian right. Hundreds of Pesa was now seeing MD Hayao. Kat one which is sang ini jing man jing long ini untuk dunai polisi kerek kami yang ini sarkar kami. Jadi babi ngamam kau batai ni sampai gini jing mang. Katu one terbeki hari sansnem. Hari kani ganti ke for election one on ki sini bisa. Ki udah to yang jauh hari pi ki udah penhiar yang jauh hari pi. Kepai sara pelang ni Wara otep kawan dia pelang ni paisa. Hari one ni sini bisa yang pi terwangi pi ni hajar yang egi pi for election. PCM gila di itu for
Harap kanai di ibu jaya lewat jar kami yang ini untuk dunia orang spah ini. Marsen man urban minister, UMLA yang benar tiang dia dia lang di cep ini. Nepal wangi tuak keroi, yang penjuruในทาวนี้yang tiap di taw, jadi dewan yang thame, yang tiap di taw, yang ini yang dai di sarkar, yang tu. Andre mana pendek baik bawang, jenjar kita liang jenjar le percak, ini le percak. Pun di percak. Do na orang nar tinggi rem election tay no setai. Jenjar i jenjar i ora bi chong yaw ni i baik bawang yawan hati jenjari. Ai bajep du ne bawa angsta ang rahagi. Yang na besa du ne bertawa cep.